Dreaming of dewy, youthful skin? Discover the COSRX Snail Mucin Repairing Serum, your secret weapon against dullness and fine lines. This powerhouse formula boasts 96.3% snail secretion filtrate, delivering incredible hydration and repair to dry, aging skin. You'll love how its lightweight, fast-absorbing texture leaves your skin feeling refreshed and naturally glowing, never greasy. The star ingredient, mucin, is a marvel for deep moisturization and soothing damaged skin. What's truly amazing is that this potent ingredient is ethically sourced, with no harm to our snail friends. See for yourself why this is a must-have for Korean skincare enthusiasts. Ready to experience the magic? Click the Amazon link in the description to grab yours today. If you're searching for the best facial serum for glowing skin, you found it. I wholeheartedly recommend giving the COSRX Snail Mucin Serum a try for visibly healthier, happier skin.